Hi there, I'm Cassie from Zappos.com, and this is the Drift Knapsack from Timbuk2. This knapsack is featured in a few color options. This one is called Army. It has a top carrying handle along with two adjustable shoulder straps that are mesh lined and very cushioned, so you know you're gonna feel really good. There are two exterior zip pockets here. One features two slip pockets right along the front. This one would hold a pen. This one on the inside actually holds a feature for a key hook so you can't lose your keys. This bag also has a top-loading main compartment with a button closure and a drawstring closure. So let's open that up. On the inside, you'll find lots of spacious interior. And in that back wall, you have a padded area for a laptop. And the front panel features a pronounced smaller zipper pocket with two slip pockets right along the front. Everybody's gonna let you lead the way so they can stare at this awesome backpack behind you, and you know you can sport it and feel really good. It's from Timbuk2.